In this video, I'm going to share with you how to make $1,000 a day online by importing websites and Google Ads. Earnings and income representations are an aspiration statement only of your earning potential. This is not a get-rich-quick way, nor do I believe in overnight success. I believe in hard work, integrity, and developing your skills if you want to earn more financially. Before you get into the video, make sure you hit that subscribe button and hit that notification bell and type in the comments below subscribe, as I will get back to you and reply to you. Alright, so right here is the strategy that we are going to use. We have 4 stages. I'm going to walk you through the details of each of one, but for now I want you to understand how we're going to do this. So stage number 1 is we're going to find a good offer. And we can use, websites like ClickBank, WarriorPlus.com, MaxBounty.com. These are some examples. I'm going to be using ClickBank. Stage number 2 is we're going to find websites that work. Find websites that are, a lot of people are sending traffic to, and we know that are proven to convert. And to do this, we're going to research using this tool, which is called SimilarWeb.com. There's also other ones like Ahrefs.com, AMrush.com, and that's how we're going to do this on stage 2. Then on stage number 3, we're going to website import. We're going to import the website that we found that is working using this tool, which is called site.pro. There's also others like ZWRO.com and IRISE.com. And then once we have that in place, then we're going to move to stage number 4, which is we have an ad, a search ad, and we're going to do split testing there to test different websites to find winners. Right, so stage number 1, we come here to ClickBank. You want to sign up if you're not, or just log in if you already have an account. Then here on top where it says marketplace, click here, and here on the left you have all the categories with all kinds of products that you can go ahead and promote. For this example, I'm just gonna go, let's just say which one I'm gonna go for it. Let's go health and fitness over here. Now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put by gravity over here. Then let's go ahead and click, we're just gonna work with this example right here. Let's go ahead and click on it. So, okay, so this right here on top is the URL. This is the sales page, right? And then this is the hook, meaning if you were to promote, this will be your link right there, affiliate link. I'm going to show you how to grab it in a moment. But for now, what we want to do is we just want to grab the URL, which is the URL that they are promoting, which is this one. Let's just go ahead and copy that. Okay, and then right now we're going to go to this stage number 2, which is find the website that works. So we're going to go to SimilarWeb.com, which is this website right here, right? So here on top where it says analyze any website, we're just going to paste the URL over here. And here it is. Just click on it. Okay, right here is going to give all kinds of information regarding the website, right? Looks like it has loads of views, 500,000 views. It's per month. This is per month, right? We're just seeing January. So it has a lot of traffic. We can see data like the average view duration. We can see the bounce rate, and we can see here that all these months it has a lot of traffic, about 500,000 per month, right? So we can see all of this data. We can see here where the traffic is coming from. Most of it is from the USA. So that gives us a good idea to when we're doing the Google ad, what country to target. So it looks like most of the sales are coming from the USA. So that would be a good way to target that. And also Brazil, India. Now we can come down here and we can scroll down. And this is what matters right here. This is like, it tells here where the traffic to this website is coming from, right? And as we can see here, most of the traffic coming to this page comes from this URL right here. So let's go ahead and click that URL and see. Okay, let's go ahead and click here to open. Okay, it looks like this right here. It's from a traffic source. So this is not a good option. Let's go back. So we're doing the research now. We want to see. So most of the traffic comes from this. Maybe somebody's using this tool. So there are a couple of websites All of these have a lot of traffic. That means that they're making money with this landing pages. So let's go for this one. This one, let's go ahead and click. Okay, let's open. Invalid input. So let's go back. Okay, let's look for this one. 4% of the traffic. Okay, let's click on it. Click here to open. So here's a one. Okay, so this looks like this is a blog. It's a website. It has no buttons. Or it has buttons over here. So what I can see here is they have. I can see when I put my mouse over, it shows the hook link on the bottom. Means that this is the link that they have for ClickBank. So that's how they're making money. They're sending clicks to this page, and then people click this, and they went and buy it. Now they have here more pictures. Nobody can click, and here again another link to the affiliate link over here. So this is one example. Let me see here. Oh, okay, so another hop link over here. So basically they're sending most of these clicks to all of the page. So this is one page example that we can import and use to test, because we never know if it will work, if it will convert until we test, right? So what you want to be doing, let me go then back here. Now this offer, what I would do is now I would go to all of these websites over here, and there's more, even see more. I would go definitely do research on most of these that get most of the traffic, and literally use all of them. Make a copy of that website to test one versus the other. That's what we're gonna do. So you wanna be doing this to multiple websites. This is one that we've got. We're gonna duplicate this one. I'm gonna show you now how to do it. Back here into our stages. So we already find the offer. We're on stage 2. So we're finding a website that works. So we found one, but we wanna find multiple ones. We wanna have at least, I'd say at least 5, 6. So that and then you want to import all these 5, 6 to this stage number 3, which we're going to do now. And this is where you get the sites ready with your links. This tool will literally import the website, and it's so easy. You don't have to do nothing, just change your affiliate links. And that's what we're going to do now on stage 3. So this is the website that we've got. We looked into it. So let's copy here the URL for this website, which is thisworksforyour.live. Let's copy this URL. And then we're going to come to this website, which is site.pro. So let's go ahead and create a new website right here. I'm not registered with, so I'm just going to log in now and register with Facebook. Okay, continue. All right, I'm on a trial version, which is okay. By the way, if you didn't want to see the prices, this is it's very cheap to get started with this. So what we want to do here is create a new website. Okay, you can only have one website in trial mode. So in trial mode, you can only have one. So let's just manage this one. Let's go ahead and edit this one. And then right here, it says import website. That's where we're gonna put the URL that we've copied. Let's go ahead and click import. That's gonna import the website here. Will take a moment. This might take about a minute or 2, depending on the size of the website. Whoa, looks like this might take more than 2 minutes, maybe 3 minutes. I believe it's importing all the website, because this case is like a blog, right? But in most of the cases, it will be just a landing page, just one page. We just stepped upon this bigger one. It's like a blog, right? So, but let's do it anyways. Oh crap! While we're waiting, which this site's kind of a little bit big, kind of. This is a great way to do, because this will copy the proven website that works. Okay, so here it is. Here's the website. Exactly. So let's come here to the website. This is the website, right? So this is the website, and then now we have the website right here which we can use, right? So what we want to do on this page is literally all the links that lead to the product, which are on the buttons. So you want to click the buttons, and here on the right, you're going to have the link. You see Hop ClickBank link. What you want to do is click here to edit, and then you're going to add your affiliate link there. What you want to do is here on ClickBank. So when the product, which is this one, you want to click on promote, and we ClickBank automatically adds our username there, and then just generate hop links. And there you go, this is your hop link. And then you want to copy and then paste it over here, right, your link, and then apply, right? And now you want to do this to all of the links for the affiliate product, which is here as well. Just all the links that you can find for the affiliate product, you're gonna be adding there. And by the way, you can take things out of here if you don't want. You can delete. Now, the reason this works really well is because when you're doing Google Ads and you're sending people directly, if you were to send people directly to the offer, Google Ads won't allow, because they don't allow this kind of product to be promoted. But if you're sending people to a page like this, which is kind of a blog or a landing page, you'll just be fine, because it's more than one thing. You know what I mean? This is just one example of one page. So you want to edit, see the buttons where they're taking, and just add all the affiliate links there to the page and have it ready. Once you have it ready, you can go ahead and preview there, or just publish. Let's go ahead and publish. Choose a professional website. Oh, that's the URL. So to choose a professional website, the URL, I would have to pay, right? Yeah, you can buy here for cheap, 1 cent. Okay, but let's go ahead and close. Let me come here to my website. Let me refresh right here, and let me go ahead and click the website to see. There we go. This is the website. As you can see, we have the website right here. And now when we click here, it is our affiliate link down there. You can see. There we go. So this is how you do it. Okay, so what we did right there was we literally imported the website, have at least 5 to 6 landing pages with all your affiliate links ready, so that we can move to stage 4, which is Google Ads. So here on Google Ads, what you want to be doing is you want to be creating, I like to use searchable ads on Google. So when people search for a specific keyword, then you show them the ad, and you can do your keyword research and all of that stuff. I have a link, I'm going to put a link right here to a video that's going to teach you how to create an ad on Google. And so you can follow that to do that. But once you have your ad on, what I want you to do is, let's click on this ad, for example. And if we click on here on the ad group again, and then we come here to the left onto ads, and right here we have our ads. Now what I want you to do is, so we have 5 to 6 pages. What we want to do is, if you have one ad, you create one ad, you want to duplicate that ad, and then on each ad you want to go ahead and click here, edit. So the copy of the ads are all the same. What you want to be changing is the URL. You want to add the URL of the landing page that you've created. So you want to add the URL number 1 here, and then on the second one, URL number 2, URL number 3. So all the different pages are here. And what this will do is, it will show ads to people and give you the data here. If it's converting, if it's not, you can track your sales as well here. So that's all doable. I have a couple of videos on my YouTube channel also how to convert. Oh, the one for conversion is going to be over here. Okay. And then what you want to do though is here on the left, you have go to settings. And here then on top, click here, search. Okay, so to give you this option, then settings, right? And then here, additional settings, right here, which says add rotation. The one you want to have here, it's do not optimize. Put it here, just do not optimize, rotate ads indefinitely. That way it will, all the traffic that comes from the Google ad is going to rotate to all of your landing pages. And then you will be able to see which one is converting the most, which one is making the most sales. And that's how you optimize and find the winners, and then you cut the losers and you just keep the winners, right? And then what you could do is get the winners, and then you make a duplicate website and then change things a bit, and go one versus the other until you are profitable. Because with ads, is not just deploying ads and being profitable, it's about testing. That's why I'm telling you to go ahead and do 5 or 6 pages of proven pages that are working from the similar pages that we did the research find those that are proven to work because a lot of traffic is coming from those and people are using it, and then you find the winners. I hope that is making sense, right? So with Google Ads, you are split testing the ads itself, each ad, different ads, different URL, and you are split testing to find a winner based on the website that you found at similarweb.com, right? Right? And then at Site Pro, which is where you make copies of the website, you can have multiple, like up to 5 or 6 or even 10, so you can, you know, test them all out and find the winners, right? This is how you do it, and this is how you can, you know, make big amounts of money per day using this method. It really works amazing because you are testing websites that people are running a lot of traffic to. That means it's converting, it's working, so you're literally tapping into something that is working. You're just split testing with many versions to find that real winner. Hope that is making sense. And if you like this video, make sure you smash the like button, and if you did not like, smash the other button to the right. Really appreciate you taking the time for being here with me. Thank you so much. If you have not subscribed to the channel and you want to subscribe, I do videos every Tuesday, Thursday, and Saturday about making money online and helping you become great. I'm going to leave below also a link for my 2 best programs to make money online. One with Builderall and another one with Legendary. Both of them, I make money with them. I recommend and I promote and believe in all of them. So they are below, all of them, just 2. So there we go. Thank you so much for watching. Really appreciate you taking the time. Have a blessing day. Subscribe, hit that notification bell, and yeah, thank you so much, and see you next time.